oceans ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds on, feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
What is up? DC is right back again. So this time it is not the tracksuit video, guys, but it is the Hot Wheels unboxing video. So this is an information video right here, cause I was just thinking that making a lot of tracksuit videos will be kind of boring. So yup, just for a change, got the new Hot Wheels, that is the Ford Focus RS, one of the hot hatches. It is so cool. It's got its own self on itself. Well, I mean that it has got the car's blueprint, kind of like that, on the car, which is seriously cool. So I can't wait to unbox this thing. So yup, you know the drill. First the unboxing and then the information. So here it comes. Wow, guys, look at this car. It's so magnificent. The stickering on this car brings out the real look. It's so awesome. Like, wow. The detailing of the blueprint is seriously cool. Wow, guys, this car is really awesome. It has that white rims kind on the wheels. The complete wheel is white, which is really cool. It's not a custom car though. It's a Ford Focus RS. So yup. And you guys can see the transparent windscreen, which is seriously awesome. You guys can see the custom cars coming with different color type of windscreens, which is not so attractive, but the transparent ones, of course, they look so cool. Wow. Even though it misses the rear lamps and the front lamps, the stickering on that, it's still awesome, guys. So yep, guys, why don't we go for the information about the Ford Focus RS? So yup, here it comes. Hey guys, so coming up to the information about the Ford Focus RS. So yup, why don't we begin it with the production? The production actually began in December 2010 and still continuing. Why don't we go for the body style? The body style is a 5-door hatchback. Wait, 5-door? No offense. Coming up to the engine, guys, in a base version, you get in a 2-liter 4-cylinder intercooled engine. If you're gonna go for the top end, you get in a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, which is really cool. Coming up to the transmission, guys, the transmission you get in a 5-speed manual, or you get in an optional 6-speed dual clutch auto. If I were you, I would go to the 5-speed manual. Coming up to the horsepower, guys, the horsepower in the base version, you get in a 160 horsepower, and if you go for the top end engine, you get in a 350 brake horsepower, which is seriously powerful. Coming up to the length of this car, guys, the length of this car is 4,389 in millimeters, guys. Talking about the width of this car, the width of this car is 1,821 in millimeters. Coming up to the best part, that's the top speed. The top speed of this car is 265 kilometers per hour, which is 164 miles per hour. This car is really, really fast. Coming up to the acceleration time, that's 0 to 60. You can't believe it. It does it in 4.6 seconds, which is almost close to an AMG S-Class. Yup, it is seriously close. Coming up to the price, major people over here, the price of this car is $36,995, which is seriously some money, but you have to pay it so that you can buy a joyride car, or else you can go for something else. So yep, guys, as I've ended up the informations right here, why don't we go for the special facts? So here it is. Whoa, let's see what it tells here. So here it tells that it features a drift mode and it has reinforced body shell. I don't know about the reinforced body shell, but the drift mode is the special thing on this car, so you can handle the corners with more joy and fun. So yep guys, as I have completed all the information for today, I have to end the video right here. So yep, if you're watching this video and if you're new, just do me a small favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week guys with another video. So yep guys, wishing you all a happy new year guys. I'll see you all next week. Till then, stay tuned and ta-ta, bye-bye.